Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to ChinesePod.
Hi, I'm Josh. 欢迎回到中文播客。
In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the sentence structure 依旧。
今天我们要学的是依旧。
So this sentence structure teaches us how to say, once I do this, then I do that. Or once this action happens, then this action follows.
当一件事情发生后，另一件事情很快地发生，我们会说依旧。
So this 依旧 is very important, and it implies that once one action is finished, the other action almost immediately follows, correct?
Yes.
Great. It's so useful for talking about your habits or even just talking about what you did in that day in general.
So for example, 我一看书就想睡。
Okay, so we can say, as soon as I start reading a book, I just want to fall asleep.
Great.
All right, so let's get started. All right, so why don't we have a little example about traveling? Where do we want to go, Josh?
How about Japan?
Yeah, let's do it. Japan, 日本。
他一到日本就得说日文。
Okay, so as soon as he arrived, or as soon as he got to Japan, he needed to speak Japanese.
Yes. Is that true?
I would say, I think for the most part, yes. I think a lot of people in Japan are not so used to speaking English. So when I went, it would have definitely been beneficial had I been able to speak some Japanese, for sure. Let's have another example, maybe about something that we do daily. So maybe we can have a sample sentence saying something like, as soon as I finish work, I like to go to the gym.
我们可以说我一下班就去健身房。
Okay, great. So as soon as I finished work, I went to the gym. So here I'm using it almost as a past tense thing. In this structure, you can use it to kind of signify a repeated action, a habit that you do, but it's not time specific, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so I can say, yesterday, as soon as I finished work, I went to the gym. I usually go to the gym as soon as I finish work, or later I will do that.
Yes.
And they're all the same way, right? Which is?
我一下班我就去健身房。So they are using the same subject, 我. How about we can try this sentence structure with different subjects?
Yeah, it's a great idea. Why don't we use...
Hello. We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.